What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the rice water treatment. I did a very detailed video prior to this one, but I felt a lot of you had the same similar questions, so maybe the video was not as clear. So I decided to do a repeat of this same exact video. Hopefully this one will be much clearer. So the first thing that I'm going to do to make this rice water is I'm going to rinse the rice. The same way you rinse the rice before you cook it, I am going to do the same exact thing before I make the rice water treatment. And it's the same thing that you do for spinach. You wash it off before, same process. So I go ahead and I rinse the rice off. This is rinse number 1. I usually rinse off the rice twice before using it to make the rice water treatment. This is the second rinse. And there are many ways to make rice water. These are my 2 preferred methods. I really like to do the one that I don't have the rice in there sitting. I did get some comments of people telling me that that's not the correct way, but there are many ways to make rice water, and I prefer not having the rice in there because I don't know about you guys, but I don't like to throw away food because there are a lot of people out here who wish they had this rice, and I just gonna put it in some rice water and have it sitting. I don't like to do that, but this is also a way to make rice water. You can leave the rice in there and let it ferment for about 2 to 4 days. I'm using Jasmine rice, and this is what I do. This is one way to make it. Just put the rice in there, let it sit for 2 to 4 days, store it in a dark place, like a cupboard that's empty, and yeah. The second way, which is my way of making it, I let the rice sit in the water after rinsing it. I let the rice sit in the water for about 15 to 30 minutes, and then I just strain out the water that's in there. And I go ahead and I take the rice and I cook it. I make some nice rice casserole, or sometimes I even feed it to the chickens, instead of just letting it sit in the water. And what I noticed is that either way, the rice water is still the same and you still get the same benefits. They smell the same, they look the same, they're the same. So both ways are the same. It's just your personal preference. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just cleaning out the jar. So of course it's going to have a few little rice specks in there. That's fine. Oh my, I can't pour for nothing. Okay, so I go ahead and I pour the water, the rice water, back in the jar, and I'm going to seal it. And once again, I take this and I store it in a dark area, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Bye.